Good morning investors, my name is Will and here's the market wrap for Friday the 28th of December, the last full trading day of 2018. It was no surprise that yesterday we saw our local index open higher and continue to gain strength throughout the day. The strong lead-in from Wall Street saw broad-based buying on most of the sectors in the ASX, with the top performer being in the energy sector, which was up 3.2%. The index closed near its highs of the day at 5,493 points, or a gain of 1.88%. The top performers of the day were Ausdrill with a 7.37% gain, APT, WiseTech and Appen Technology also moving higher, and coming out of left field was the milk formula producer Bellamy's with a 6.46% gain. The worst performers were Speedcast, showing no signs of a speedy recovery from its low, dropping another 4.97%. Bigger Cheese also continued to see softness, but only about 0.82, and HealthScope also declined. All eyes were on the US session last night as investors debated whether this was going to be a short-term bounce or the start of a Christmas rally. The US futures traded lower for most of the day, seeing this softness leading into an overnight session that saw the Nasdaq, S&P 500 and the Dow experience big losses in early trade. At about 4 a.m. in the morning, we saw an incredible rally from the Nasdaq and the Dow, with the Dow going from being down 600 points to being positive 250. That's an almost 900-point swing in a couple of hours, and it's the largest reversal since 2010. At the close, all US indices finished in positive territory, close to about 1%. Asia saw a mixed day, with the Shanghai and the Hang Seng being down about 0.5% and the Nikkei bucking the trend, rising 3.88%. The European session did not fare so well, with the French CAC, the German DAX and the FTSE all being down, with the outperformer being the French CAC down but only by 0.61%. Over in commodities, oil gave back some of its gains after a recent near 10% jump. Brent crude finished lower by 3.67% at $52.47 a barrel. Gold saw some appreciation, rising to a 6-month high, up 0.6%. Iron ore was relatively unchanged, and the 10-year bond yield sits at 2.736 and a 2-year sits at 2.47. Our 1 Australian dollar is currently buying 0.7025 cents, which after a 0.58% drop. Our SPY futures are currently flat, so it should be an interesting day in the market, and that's the market wrap.